Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. It's a lovely afternoon today to show you this absolutely exquisite example of a Jaguar 4-litre V8 Sovereign. That's an X308. It's finished in gleaming unmarked topaz metallic with cashmere full leather interior and walnut veneers. Now look at this car, folks. It is absolutely mint. I'm sorry it's been a while while we've got it for ready for sale, but it's been a big job, but it is now absolutely unbelievable. It's got to be the best example of this type in the UK for sale today. Hopefully the background noise is not too much on this video, and the shadows from myself, because it's really bright sunny day today in Malton, which is nice for a change. As you can see, I'm just highlighting no dents to the chrome, no scuffs on the bumper, no chips on the bonnet. As we move around, all the bumper corners are perfect. No cracked light lenses at the front. It's got unmarked alloy wheels, 4 brand new tyres we've just fitted, a brand new chrome spring-loaded leaping bonnet mascot, new wiper blades, new chrome door mirrors. As you can see, it is absolutely mint. And if I just show you underneath there, on the seam of the sill, perfect. And underneath is just the same. We've fully serviced this car in our workshop facility. Just going to walk you around the outside of this Jaguar Sovereign, because it really is something else. Clean as a whistle there on the tailpipes. No cracked light lenses at the back. All the badges are perfect, as you can see. 4 matching mud flaps. Hopefully this video will do it some kind of justice, this car, because it really needs to be viewed in real life. Just really to get an appreciation for how mint this car is. This should not be confused with any other XJ8 Jaguar Sovereign on the marketplace, or in the marketplace rather, at this time. It is absolutely perfect. It's the long wheelbase version, as you've probably gathered from the video, and the little bit of a stretch back door, but it doesn't make it drive any different. And to be honest with you, the rear passengers are big glad of that little bit more leg room. There you go. So very rare car now to find. I mean, in that sort of condition as well, really rare. Long wheelbase Sovereign, not that many of them about at the moment. And a 4-litre V8 as well. As you can see there, it's got the rear sun blind in it. It's got the piped full leather, cashmere full leather interior. Warning triangle. CD stacker. I have taken some pictures of under the boot mat, so please check out our photographs of that. But again, look at that, clean as a whistle all the way around. This car is a one-owner car from new. We'll double check the mileage. It's done 40k, but I think it's done just slightly over, so 41 or 42,000. Let's have a look. It's done 42,600. And look at it in there, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Cruise control, auto lights, auto wipers, CD stacker, heated front screen, heated rear screen, centre armrest, sunglasses holder, brand new headlining we've just fitted in there. It's difficult to see today, isn't it, with the sun being so bright. I was thinking about leaving it a little bit longer in the day, just until the sun goes down, but it's difficult to know what to do for the best, really, for pictures and videos. As you can see, it's got full electric front seats with lumbar. It's got memory seats. It's got electric steering column, part wood, part leather, multifunction steering wheel. Let's have a look in the back. Look at that in there. Absolutely beautiful. It truly is a remarkable condition car. Of course, with the Sovereign, it has all the wood surrounds to the ashtrays in the back and the electric window switches. You've got your rear air conditioning, but you've also got a switch on the seat there to be able to, for the rear passengers, to be able to tilt the backrest on that front seat, passenger side front seat, and also move it along on the runners as well, to give you even more leg room. Sure why you'd need a lot more than that, but that is facility on the long wheelbase Sovereigns. Beautiful seats. Don't look like they've had a lot of wear or work at all, those seats. All the kick steps are absolutely fantastic, no scratches on them. All the inside of the rear wheel arches, as you can see, perfect on both sides, the same. No rust or corrosion on this car whatsoever. We've been around this car with a very, very, very fine tooth comb, and there is nothing to report. No corrosion, no issues. It'll be sold with 12 months MOT. Let's have a quick look underneath the bonnet, and then we'll start her up. There you go, 4 litre. We've just put these new suspension mounts on as well, only because those little bushes in there, they deteriorate with age. They weren't worn, they were just, so they just turned to like powder, like a lot of rubber bits and pieces on cars do over periods of time. Of course, this is a 1999 car, so you know, it's it's getting on now. The other thing that this benefits from is a full toolkit. Never been opened, never been used. Look at that. They're worth a load of money on their own. Well, things like that, you know, it just highlights how good, if you can find, these one-owner cars are. Like I say, we've just fully serviced that and fully inspected the car. Antifreeze has been checked. Brake fluid's been checked. But yeah, just extraordinary condition car. This is really, really, really one of those cars that wants keeping, showing in the summertime, and putting away, really, because this would just be worth an absolute fortune in years to come, especially with the specification, the colour schemes, and the condition, the low mileage, the model that it is. Got the wooden gear knob on there as well, as you can see. It's just absolutely beautiful car. It really is. Let's have a look in this side. As you can see, just the same. No issues on the wheel arches or the sills. Beautiful leather interior this side as well. Veneers are really, really lovely. The grain in the veneers in this car are really, really exceptional. Let's have a look at that there. I mean, look at that dashboard there. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can on the video because it's quite bright today. But yeah, it's just, everywhere you look, this car is something very, very special. And like I say, not to be confused with anything else on the marketplace today. No disrespect to their cars, but this, I can't imagine how you could get a car that was any minter than that. It won't be the cheapest on the marketplace, but we think, well, Dora thinks there, look as well, our little dog, we think it's probably the best you're going to get now. It is for sale, and the price of this car is $13,995, which really, honestly and truly, is joke money really for a car in this condition, which was a lot of money when it was brand new, and hasn't deteriorated at all. It drives perfect, it runs perfect, which I will demonstrate now if I can find the keys. Let's strike her up. There we go. We've just literally, we've not had it running, we've just pulled it out of our workshop facility while it was sunny and dry, and that's really, as you can hear, started up from cold. Beautiful. Been very, very, very well looked after. It's got full documented service history. I knew the owner who had it from brand new. He was an elderly guy, stopping driving. He hadn't used it much at all over the last, well, several years. So we got offered the car to buy, and we jumped at the chance. These cars now, XJ8s, X300s, XK8s, S-types, really, really, really low mileage, nice cars that are original and that aren't all bodged up or rusty, are getting so hard to find. We're currently very, very understocked at the moment, so please be patient with us if you're looking for a particular car, and you know it's the type of car that will sell. Please just be patient as much as you can. We are working really, really hard to try and source mega examples like this, but again, it's a full-time job, and of course getting them to this present condition, this state, as you see this car now, is a couple of weeks work as well. So once we bought it, we're into a couple of weeks making them look as absolutely mint as that, going through everything, making sure everything works, servicing them, under-sealing them underneath, you know, checking all the rubber bushers, making sure everything is in the condition that it needs to be for us to be able to be happy selling these type of cars. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our video. We really, really, really appreciate you watching these videos and liking them. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're doing really well on there at the moment, so we've only got about 23 or 24 videos on there. We'd like to hit 1,000 subscribers if we can. It just makes it, you know, it just makes it nice really, and worthwhile us spending the time doing all these bits and pieces. But you can also see this car and all its pictures on our business Facebook page, which is The Malton Motor Company. And also you can go onto our website, which is www.themaltonmotorcompany.com. Malton is spelled M-A-L-T-O-N. Our telephone number, if you'd like to inquire about this car, all Jaguar enthusiasts, owners club members, anybody who's an enthusiast for this model, please give us a call on 07759 938 395, and we're happy to talk to you about this car, give you any further details, book you in for an appointment to view in our showroom, because that's where this car's going now. It's going on into our heated, carpeted showroom, and that's where it'll stay until somebody decides they want it for either their collection or for a weekend or for their pride, to be their pride and joy. and then it'll go for its MOT once the car's been secured with a deposit. But yeah, as you can hear, that engine absolutely silent. I mean, inside the car it's really inaudible, and down the road smooth as silk like they are. These XJ8s, they're just fantastic. Last of the steel bodied Jaguars, Jaguar XJs. They feel very, very planted on the road. The suspension is so luxurious, second to none really. A lot of people compare these cars and vote for them to be better than some of the 80s, 90s and 2000 Rolls Royces, because the suspension on them is absolutely fantastic. It irons out all the bumps. But yeah, please give us a shout on the telephone number I've just given you, or again, you can email us if you prefer to do that. If you're more comfortable emailing us any questions, please do that. It's sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com. We look forward to your communication, and we look forward to showing you the car. More importantly, it's just an absolute beauty. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.